This video is for educational purposes only. It is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with any brands or manufacturers featured. All products shown in this video are owned by me, and any trademarks visible are part of the product being analyzed. In Chapter 1, Episode 5, we will learn about MCB physical dimensions. First, we will see how frames and poles affect breakers' dimensions. Second, we will provide examples for better demonstration. In Episode 3, we discuss the frames of the miniature circuit breaker. We have frame 40, up to 40 amperes MCB series, and frame 63, up to 63 amperes MCB series, and frame 125, up to 125 amperes MCB series. In Episode 4, we explained the poles of the miniature circuit breaker. We have one pole with one detection, two poles with one detection and one isolation, two poles with two detections, three poles with three detections, four poles with three detections and one isolation, and four poles with four detections. MCB dimensions are represented by the term modules. Modules is a physical size designation for miniature circuit breakers. Module sizes are affected by the frame and number of poles of the MCB. In general, frame 40 and frame 63 have the same physical dimensions. The common module size in this frame is 18 millimeters or 1.8 centimeters. This size is used by most manufacturers. So now we can say that one pole MCB is one module having 18 millimeters in length. One pole plus neutral MCB is considered two poles, usually comes in one module of 18 millimeters in length. Two poles MCB is two modules having 36 millimeters in length. Three poles MCB is three modules having 54 millimeters in length. Three poles plus neutral MCB is considered four poles, usually comes in three modules having 54 millimeters in length. Four poles MCB is four modules having 72 millimeters in length. Creating this content takes a lot of time, effort, and experience. Support us by subscribing and liking the video. It helps us keep producing free, high-quality information for you and others. And if you have any technical question, feel free to ask us in the description, and we will provide you with the answer. Now we will continue with frame 125. This frame has bigger physical dimensions than frame 40 and frame 63. One pole MCB is 1.5 modules, having 27 millimeters in length. Two poles MCB is three modules, having 54 millimeters in length. Three poles MCB is 4.5 modules, having 81 millimeter in length. Four poles MCB is six modules, having 108 millimeter in length. In the next episode, we will do MCB curve overview and learn about its characteristics.